In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ecwid to an HTML website in a full guide format. If you've been hoping to integrate an e-commerce solution into your existing site, you're in the right place. Ecwid is a powerful, user-friendly platform that allows you to seamlessly add a store to your website, and today, I'll walk you through the entire process. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Ecwid control panel. To do this, simply log into your Ecwid account. From here, you'll have access to all the tools and settings you'll need to connect your store to your website. Once you're logged in and in the control panel, it'll be time to dive into the details. Next, within the control panel, you'll want to locate the section labeled Sales Channels. This is the hub where you can manage how and where your store appears online. By clicking on Sales Channels, you'll bring up a new set of options that will allow you to tailor your store's integration to your website's needs. It's important to become familiar with this area as it's central to managing your online store's presence. After accessing the Sales Channels section, look for the option reading Other Platforms and Site Builders. This step is crucial because it contains the tools needed to embed your store into an HTML site specifically. Clicking here will provide you with the code necessary to proceed with the integration. Now comes the exciting part, actually embedding your store. To do this, you'll be given the Ecwid integration code, which you'll need to paste directly into your website's HTML. This code is the bridge that connects your store to your website. Make sure to copy it accurately to avoid any potential errors. This process is straightforward but vital. It allows your website to sync seamlessly with the Ecwid platform. Before you paste the code, I recommend backing up your website. It's always a good practice to have a copy saved, just in case you need to return to a previous version. Once you've got your backup, you can confidently add the Ecwid integration code to your site. Paste it into the HTML section where you want your store to appear. Common placements include the home page or a dedicated shop page. After pasting, save the changes to your website and refresh your page to verify that the store appears as expected. This is your chance to ensure everything is functioning correctly and make any necessary adjustments. If it looks good and works without issues, congratulations! You've successfully integrated Ecwid into your HTML website. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties or need additional customization, the Ecwid Support Center is a